Okay guys, we got a package from Novapharin. Okay, we will check inside. That should be the things of this. You can see the prices. Okay, that's inside this unboxing video. Okay, it's open easily. Nanti. Okay, and we see this. Vitamin C, 1000 tablets, and vitamin B should be, oh yes, vitamin B complex. Okay, let's see inside this first. It says a seal here. Inside this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take this example. Take one example. This is on one strip. HET. Let's open this. Inside that is orange color like that. Like that. Nova. You can hit this is a Nova. Okay. Next, we continue with this one. This is vitamin C, 25 milligrams. Oh, insert that like that. Pim. Okay, vitamin C by Pim. Pim. From Pasuruan. Okay. Okay, this is it. We buy this. B complex and C. So thank you for watching.